Let me tell a goodie story. Pay attention, listen to me. If you like, take it, or else when attention, leave it, baby. Life is very short, Nanba. Always be happy. Designer. பலவித problem welcome and go. கொஞ்சம் chill பண்ணு மாப்பி. Haters are going to get ignored calmly. Negativity எல்லாம் தள்ளி வை baby. Focus on what you dream, don't worry மாப்பி. Positivity உன்னை lift பண்ணு baby. Life is very short நண்பா. Always be happy. Designer. பலவித problem welcome and go. கொஞ்சம் chill பண்ணு மாப்பி. How is my goodie story? This is my goodie story. Good luck.